Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you take pictures on your GoPro Hero Black version 11 here. So this is a GoPro 11. All right, so to take pictures, it's very simple to do. What you're going to want to do is on the side here, there's a mode button. You'll click on that because right now I'm in video mode. So click on that and you see it goes over to photo. If you click it again, there's time lapse, video, but you want photo. And then once you have it on photo, up here at the top, you'll see that like shutter button. You'll just tap or squeeze on that. And now it's processing a super photo. All right, so if you say you want to change it up, you can click on this down here and that'll have wide, or you can go to linear, just linear or wide, but that's how you can take different types of photos. So if you want to go with more of just a boxed photo, you do that. Click back up, go into the main screen here, squeeze the button again, processing, just like so. So that's how you take a photo using your GoPro Hero Black. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.